Achieving luscious locks always starts off with a fabulous blowout. And to truly be blown away, you'll need the perfect tool, preferably one that's kind to your wallet. Here are 5 blow dryers under $50 that'll change your hair game.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by Geico.
The Conair Cord Keeper Dryer is an efficient hair tool that's great for the gal on the go. It's lightweight and comes with a retractable cord as well as a foldable arm, all features that make it a perfect fit for your suitcase at only $15. To enhance your natural curls, look no further than the John Frieda Salon Shine Compact Dryer. The dryer's advanced ionic conditioning and diffuser attachment will leave your hair with a soft salon shine for $40. The Remington T Studio Thermalux Pro Series hair dryer minimizes hair damage with optimized heat control. The powerful motor on this device reduces drying time to get you ready fast for $35. Bedhead Mind Blower's Tourmaline technology tames frizz and boosts shine. The concentrator attachment gives your roots a lift, providing a voluminous dew for $35. The small size of the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Bino Compact Dryer yields maximum heat and serves up smooth styles. Get the job done with the power of a full-size dryer for $30. Enjoy gorgeous hair with one of these budget-friendly blow dryers.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by Geico.